How to download Roblox on macOS. If you'd like to download Roblox on macOS, it is fairly simple for us to do so. What we have to do is first open up our browser and type in Roblox for Mac on our browser. Click on the first link from Roblox that says download Roblox, and here you can see it says download Mac app. So once you download the Mac app, basically you will get a DMG file which I've already downloaded. So this is the DMG file that you will get, and just make sure to double click on the DMG file. When you double click, you can see it says double click to install again. So double click on this Roblox player installer, as you can read there, and click on open if prompted. When you've done that, you can see it says configuring Roblox. So depending upon your computer's performance or your macOS hardware, this might take a couple of seconds. So let's just wait until this process is actually completed. And when you've done that, your Roblox will be successfully installed on your PC, and you can just hit the allow button if prompted for any of the other questions. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.